Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about this gorgeous ring from Molly Jewelry, and I have to say this might be my new favorite way to get the luxury look without the price tag. Now guys, let's just take a minute to appreciate the packaging. It came in this cute little bag, like a gift bag. So if you were to give this to someone, the packaging is A1. I feel like the packaging is just as pretty as the ring. Obviously, the ring is the star of the show, but the packaging, let's get into it, guys. So guys, this ring retails at $443. That is really not that bad for such a nice engagement ring. And the reason why it can look this expensive without costing this expensive is because they deliver straight to you. There's no middleman, so you're getting luxury pricing for something that looks way more luxe. In case you don't know what moissanite is a gemstone and is often chosen as an alternative to diamond. It's known for producing lots of sparkle because it reflects light very well. And many people choose moissanite because it gives a luxury look at a lower price than a comparable diamond. It's very durable, which makes it very suitable for everyday wear. And for me, I'm always doing something. Sometimes we do forget the rings, and this is the kind of ring that you can just put on, forget about it, get on with your day, and not having to worry about ruining the ring. It's very durable, and I did a little durability test where I'm just washing my hands with soap, and you can just see how sparkly the ring still looks. I'm now gonna go on their website and show you guys what you need to see, how the website looks, maybe how you can pick your rings. So let's get into it. So as you can all see, this is mollyjewelleryus.com. It looks really nice. It looks very organized. They have all these different categories. They have engagement rings, and look at all the drop down options. They've got so many different options, from the shapes to the style to the type of gemstones that you're looking for. They've got wedding rings. They've got different stones, once again, promise rings, moissanite rings, which is one of the ones I'm currently wearing, different gemstones. And also I would like to point out that there are rings for men available. So if you got a partner, you want to give them something cute, just go on their website, browse, just look at what you can find, and I'm sure you will find something. I'm pretty sure, because they've got so many options, guys. I mean, look at these beautiful rings. Look at all this. Bestsellers. Oh, this one is nice. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm looking at the bigger rings because I want you to see my ring from, like, I want to be coming, and the first thing that you see is my ring. You feel me? Guys, one thing I love about Molly Jewelry is the fact that you can literally design your own ring. They can do your own custom made ring. Hello? Like, what? That's pretty dope. Okay, so let's go to the moissanite rings. You can literally see all the different rings that they have here. and the different prices. So guys, from here you can change the currency. So I am in the UK, so I'm gonna go to pound sterling. And going down, you can see all the different stones you can pick from. This is mine right here. You can pick so many different stones. You can literally pick a diamond as well. You can get different colors of moissanite: yellow, gray, blue. There are so many different options. And one thing that I really like is the fact that it says here, looking for something else, contact us. So if you're looking for something that you cannot find on the website, then you can just go on and contact them and discuss what you're looking for, and they can bring your vision to life. Amazing. You can pick the different colors of metal. You can pick how many carats you want. And if you cannot find your ring size, you can also contact them and give them your specific ring size, or you can measure your finger, send them your measurements, and they will literally customize that ring like it's like you made it yourself. You can even pay extra to get your ring sent earlier to you. I mean, these people are on top. And I really love the way they take their pictures. It's very quality. They literally get to show you what you're buying. You get to see it in video format. You get to see it in the packaging. You get to see it as a still picture. You also get to see it as someone wearing it on their finger, so that you can really visualize what it can look like on you, which I really love. And honestly, it looks exactly the same as the picture. One way that I was able to make my ring very personal to me is by having my name engraved in the band. This makes my ring so special to me because it's got my name in there. I was thinking of having like a Bible verse engraved, but I wasn't sure which one. There are so many beautiful scriptures and so many scriptures that speak to my heart, but I was just so indecisive and I couldn't figure out which one. So I just said, you know what? Let me just have my name, Marie-Reine. And I did. And it still makes it really beautiful. And I just love the fact that, you know, it's mine. And if I was to ever lose it, God forbid, people can, I hope so anyway, they can have a look and see my name engraved inside. So maybe they can leave a message or something like that. But you know what I mean? Like, it just makes it very personal to you and very special. There's just something about having your name on a ring, you know. So we've reached the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful. If you're looking for an engagement ring, maybe for your fiance to be, or maybe a wedding ring that is not too expensive, then guys, definitely check out mollyjewelleryus.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.